So this is how you can make your apps smaller on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So there are a few ways you can approach this. At first, I would go to the settings app like this, and in the left section, we have the display and brightness menu. And at the bottom of this, we can see display zoom, and there are two options. It switches between the default and more space. This applies, as you can see, to the icons on the home screen, as well as to other things like the notification sizes, text message bubbles, and so on. So if you switch from the default to more space like that and just confirm it, it might reboot the iPad, or at least give me like a black screen like this, right? And after a while, it should return back to the normal state, and the apps are a little bit further away from each other. They are smaller, and definitely I managed to kind of like shrink the size of the apps. But that's not everything, because as you can see, we also have the mode turn on where the apps don't even have the names below them. And that's another way to kind of like change the size of the apps, because you can hold down on the home screen like this, go to the edit mode in the top left. So you have to tap it properly like this and click on customize. And as you can see, I can switch between this modes, right? So we have a large icon and a small one right here, and watch what happens to the icons. When I click on it, they get even smaller. So that's like the whole point behind it. There are these two ways of how you can switch the size of different things. Now the apps are kind of like very small for my taste, so I'm going to switch it back to the default mode, but it is up to you to decide how you want to use it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.